particular product is, it's a 102-inch bucket with a 7.5 cubic yard capacity for a JCB telehandler equipped with a Q-fit hookup. It has an optional removable grapple that it comes off very easily. It has a parking stand, so when you need the grapple to handle bulk material, you just keep it on. If you need to take it off to handle something that you don't need a grapple, like snow, sand, gravel, whatever the case might be, you take off the grapple and you use it that way. This particular bucket starts in a 96-inch and it goes up to 108 with cubic yard capacities at 1.5, 1.7, 2, 2.2, and 2.4. And then we have another family of buckets that's just like this, only larger, with a split grapple option. So you've got a little bit more durability with uneven loads. We've had a 3-yard and above bucket for about 4 years, and we realized that there are so many telehandlers and wheel loaders out there that are smaller that can't handle the 3-yard bucket. So we knew that there was a void, and we knew that we had dealers and customers that wanted to have something smaller, and they wanted to have an MDS product. So it forced our hand to kind of go to the drawing table and come up with a bucket of that profile, but smaller for the guys that didn't need that 3-yard bucket. So it was simply a product of demand from the customers to come up with something better and more usable than what was available on the market from some of our competitors. And we're real proud of this line of buckets. It's been a pleasure to work on entirely.